Hello, hello.
Hello, am I audible? Hello, hello, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Good evening, Bhargav. My screen is visible now.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, will you go through the contents of the week one?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. So, should I go through the topic one by one?
yes.
Yes. Okay.
To
Good, good.
get an idea.
Idea. Sorry?
Just to know what is
Oh,
an
what is
week one,
week one?
just
Just
go on to the video.
many noise is coming. Your voice is not clear. Okay, let's start. So first topic of week one is population and sample. What is population? The total So what is population? Population is the total collection of all the elements that we are interested. Let's take an example. If we take a population like 1,000 students of different states of India. So this is our population, the 1,000 students of different states of India. And what is sample? Sample is a subset of population.
Okay.
Okay. So 1,000 students of different states of India, it is a population. Now, sample is, if we take from the 1,000 students, if we take 100 students, so these 100 students will be our sample.
Okay.
Let's take another example. So this is our population. And our sample is like this.
Sample is a
Sample is a
subset of
subset of
population,
population,
Yeah,
right?
I'm trying to. So this is our sample. Now tell me, this sample is a good or bad representation of population? Here the different color is the different department of a college. Let's say green is mathematics, blue is English, yellow is humanity, like this. And this is our sample. From this population we collected this sample. Now, so we can say this sample is not a good representation of the population because all the departments are not present in this sample, right?
Yes.
So this sample is not a good representation of the population. Next thing we have branches of statistics. So there are two branches of statistics. One is descriptive statistics and another is inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics is description and summarization of the data. So what is the description and summarization of data? Let's take an example. We gathered the math marks of the students of class 11 of a school, right?
Yes.
Okay, I have to write. Math marks of students of class 12. So from the math marks of the students of class 12, we can get the minimum marks, maximum marks, and average marks, right?
Yes.
So these are the description of the data set. Minimum marks, maximum marks, average. So this is the description of the data set. So this is called the descriptive statistics. Now it is said here it can be performed on sample data as well as population data. Now if we take a sample here, let's say we have 100 students in class 12, right? So we have gathered all the marks, all the math marks of 100 students. And now take a sample of 20 students from these 100. Now from the marks of the 20 students, we can also get the minimum and maximum and average marks, right?
Yes.
Of these 20 students. So descriptive statistics can be performed on the sample data as well as the population data. Clear?
Yes.
Next thing is inferential statistics. Inferential statistics is making conclusion about the population based on sample data. So here we get a sample of 20 students and let's say the average marks of these 20 students is 70, right? Now I am telling you that the average math marks of 100 students is 70. So here I am making a conclusion that based on sample, from the 20 students that the average marks of 100 students is 70. So this is called inferential statistics. Here I am making a conclusion based on the sample data about the population data. Is it clear? So here are two examples. Question is visible or not? First one is a construction company wants to start a house construction business in a city. Since there is a large number of houses, the company collects a sample of 11 houses from the city and uses the properties of the samples to study the house prices in the city. Which branch of statistics does the above analysis? It's
Inferential.
it's inferential. Next one is an online opinion poll was conducted by film reviewing website to rank Indian films from 2000s among the 1,000 films in the list. Bhag Milka Bhag received the maximum number of votes, followed by Three Idiots and Swadesh respectively. Which branch of statistics of the above analysis come under?
Descriptive.
It's descriptive or inferential. Why descriptive?
Because the online opinion poll would be the whole population, right? That's why.
Not inferential because there is no conclusion. Here only told that among the 1,000 films in the list, Bhag Milka Bhag received the maximum number of votes. No conclusion is here. So it is descriptive. Next, collection of data. Two types of collection of data, structured and unstructured. Unstructured is unstructured and structured. So unstructured data means the data is not in any standard format. And we cannot analyze anything from this data set. Structure is this data set is defined and in standard format. And next thing is we can find any data easily, easy to search and analyze. Now I am giving you an example. Let's say Ram is a student of class 10 and he is from Chennai. His mobile number is 79 something and his mail ID Ram @ and Suman is a student of class 12. He is from Delhi. His mobile number this and mail ID. This. So this is a huge data set, right? Now if I tell you find the mobile number of Ram, it is very difficult to find the mobile number of Ram from this type of data set, right?
Yes.
So this is a unstructured data. Now,
So
if
from this unstructured data, you structure it.
I can structure it. Now,
wait a second. Just can you go to the previous slide? I have to write it down.
I will share this PDF after the class. Now from that dataset, I am structuring the dataset. So this is our structured dataset. Now from this dataset, you can easily tell me from which city Ram belongs to, right? So this is our structured dataset and this is our unstructured dataset. Clear? This is clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Next topic is what is case and variable. So case is a unit from which data are collected. And you have to remember case is always unique. And variable is a characteristics and that varies across all the units. Now rows represent cases and column represents variable. Now these name, gender, favorite artist, amount of time, these all are variables. Because these things are varies along the column, right? This gender is varies along the column, male, female. And
gender itself is a
gender. Voice is breaking.
Gender would be a variable, okay?
Columns represents the variables. So name, gender, favorite artist, amount of time, all these are variables. Because these are varies along the columns, right? And case is a unit thing, a unit which is unique. Now let's say these names: David, Lana, Ria, Akash, Kabir, Sakshi, Mohit, Nisha. These all are cases. Nisha is a case, Mohit is a case, Sakshi is a case, Kabir is a case, right? because these names are unique here, right? Now,
Yes.
if I add one more rows here, Ria, female, some name here. Now tell me, here a Ria, one is Ria here and one more Ria is here. Now, these are unique or not?
Depending on the units after the name, it will be given that that's different.
Now, these names are not unique, right? So, we can't say these names are cases. So, we have to add some unique column. Let's say, if I add a
Like
column like roll number.
and
It's 0, 1,
address is
0,
also
2.
unique.
What is?
Address.
No, two people can stay in one place. Address can't be unique. Roll number, ID, these things are unique, right? So these roll numbers are unique. So these roll numbers are cases. You have to remember cases are always unique. So you have to find the unique column. That will be our cases. So these roll number 1 is a case, roll number 2 is a case, roll number 3 is a case, like this. Is it clear?
Yeah. So what will be the names?
Huh?
What would be the name?
Name is variable.
Okay.
These are varies along the column. If these names are unique, all the names are unique, then you can say David is a case, Lana is a case, Ria is a case. But I added some.
Even one name is same, then it would not be a case.
No, if there is no uniqueness, those are not cases. Cases are unique.
So we should have at least one variable which is unique.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next is types of data. So data are two types, categorical and numerical. Categorical is qualitative. We cannot perform arithmetic operation on categorical data. And another is numerical data. Numerical data, on the numerical data, we can perform arithmetic operation. And numerical data can be two types, discrete and continuous. So discrete are whole numbers like 2, 3. That means that are countable. And continuous is measurable, like 2.5, 3.6, 6, like this.
Real numbers.
Yeah, real numbers. So these are our types of data. Now, next is scale of measurement. There are 4 types of scale of measurement: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Now, these nominal and ordinal are categorical data, and interval and ratio, it's valid on numerical data. First is nominal scale of measurement. Name categories without ordering. These are nominal scale of measurement, like name, gender, blood group. Okay? I will discuss the example, then it will be clear. Next is ordinal. Ordinal is name categories that can be ordered. Like if we take an example, bad, excellent, good, we can order these like bad, less than good, less than excellent. We can order these, right?
What?
Where is it? Here is the example. Language ability, that is beginner, intermediate, proficient. This is ordinal or nominal?
It's ordinary.
Why it's ordinal? You can order these things.
Yes.
Yeah, proficient is better than intermediate. Intermediate is better than beginner. We can order this. So this is ordinal scale of measurement. City of birth, ordinal or nominal?
Nominal, because we cannot do operations.
Can't order this. The name
Yes.
of the city. These are easy things. You can easily find these. Next is interval and ratio. So what is interval scale of measurement? So in this interval scale of measurement, order should matter and can perform addition and subtraction. And there is no absolute zero. What is absolute zero? Absence of thing. Like 0% means there is no person. Like, but if I say,
we cannot go from 0 to negative.
yeah, person can be negative, right? Now, if I say 0 degree does not mean there is no temperature. Why? 0 degree Celsius means minus Kelvin, 32 Kelvin,
Yes.
I think. 0 degree Celsius means. So there is some temperature.
Around that.
And we can beyond 0 degree. Minus 273 degree is the last temperature. In temperature, in degree Celsius scale, right?
Yes.
So we can go beyond 0.
Okay. But it is related to the other scale.
Yeah, it's relative to the scale. So you have to find what is interval scale of measurement and what is ratio scale of measurement. So temperature in degree Celsius is interval scale of measurement.
Okay.
As we can go beyond 0, no absolute 0 is there. But for a ratio scale of measurement, we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These arithmetic operation can be done in the ratio scale of measurement. Because here absolute 0 present. We can't go beyond 0. So temperature in Kelvin is ratio scale of measurement. Is it clear?
Let's say it is 0 Kelvin.
In Kelvin scale, 0 Kelvin is present. And if I take two temperature like 20 Kelvin and 40 Kelvin, so we can say 20 Kelvin as 0 Kelvin is present there, we can say 40 Kelvin is double of 20 Kelvin, right?
Yes.
As absolute 0 is present here.
So we have to have more than one variable.
Sorry?
We should have one more than one variable.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can say here 40 Kelvin is greater than 20 Kelvin. But in degree Celsius, we can't say 40 degree Celsius is greater than, yeah, we can say 40 degree Celsius is greater than 20 degree Celsius, but we can't say 40 degree Celsius is double of 20 degree Celsius. We can't say this. We can only say 40 degree is greater than 20 degree Celsius. As there is no absolute 0. The minimum temperature is minus 273 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
So here we cannot perform multiplication or division. We can only perform addition and subtraction.
Why 2 times 20 degrees Celsius, not 40 degrees Celsius?
Sorry?
Why
Actually,
20
I
degrees
cannot
Celsius?
clearly hear any words of you.
Now, is it better?
Please write in chat, in Telegram. I can't hear you. Okay. Why 40 degree is not twice of 20 degree, right? So here the minimum temperature in degree Celsius is minus 273 degrees Celsius. So we can't say that the amount of heat we need to get 40 degrees Celsius is twice of the heat for 20 degrees Celsius. Because there is no zero, right? Here 0 is minimum. So we can say 40 degrees is twice of 20 Kelvin. But here
Okay,
0 is not the minimum. This is the minimum. Am I clear or not? Another example. Okay. The best example for interval and ratio is the temperature in Celsius and Kelvin. Okay, I'll discuss the previous year question. From that you can get some example.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I think this is the last thing, cross-sectional and time series data. Okay, cross-sectional data is if the values in the dataset vary with respect to space, with the time being constant. Example is the temperature in all metro cities in India recorded at a particular instant of time. Let's say on Sunday, the temperature of all metro cities of India are calculated. So that is cross-sectional data. Time is fixed. On Sunday, the temperature are collected from different cities. In cross-sectional data, time is constant and temperature is varies. And time series data, the data varies with respect to time for a particular entity in a space. Example is the temperature of Delhi recorded throughout the day. Okay, this is the example. Tell me, cross-sectional or time series?
Okay.
Tell me, this is cross-sectional or time series data? Hello.
Wait.
I can't hear any words of you.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible, but I can't hear any words of you. So many noise are coming only.
It is I time series and it is inferential.
It's inferential because we can making conclusion. And why time
Yes.
series?
Yes.
Time is varies.
It is
For a whole year,
yeah.
the magnitude of earthquakes are collected. So time is varies,
Yes.
variable.
Yes.
These are okay. So this is the data set. Tell me which are cases.
Model name is cases.
Why model name is cases and brand name is not cases?
Brand name is repeating.
Yeah, brand name is repeating. So the model names are the cases. Which are variables?
Brand.
Tell me all the variables.
Brand, fuel type, cylinder,
Mileage, price. These all
and
are variables.
mileage price. Yes.
Mileage, qualitative or quantitative?
Mileage is qualitative.
Why quantitative? We can perform arithmetic operation on mileage. It's discrete or continuous?
Continuous.
Why continuous? These are measurable, not countable.
Audible properly. I'm having an internet issue.
Yeah. Next is fuel type, model name. Qualitative or quantitative?
It is quality because we cannot perform operations.
Yeah. Now, this is a data set. Tell me which variable has ratio scale of measurement and which has interval scale of measurement. So here is another example of interval and ratio. So weight is ratio scale of measurement. Why? Absolute zero is present here. Zero weight means there is no weight, right? And
But
temperature
we cannot perform arithmetic operations.
why we can't perform arithmetic operation on a weight?
How can we? It
So
would be
I
fixed, right?
say 100 kg and 50 kg. We can perform addition subtraction with these weights and we can say 100 kg is double of 50 kg, right? Multiplication division also can.
Because it has a absolute zero.
Yeah. So weight is ratio scale of measurement, and temperature in Fahrenheit, it is interval. Why? There is no absolute zero. The minimum temperature in Fahrenheit scale is something minus 32, I think.
If temperature is in Kelvin, then it would be absolute zero.
Temperature in Kelvin only has
Okay.
minimum temperature 0 Kelvin. And in the degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit, minimum temperature is not 0.
Okay, so we know zero as most important metric.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
When there is a absolute zero, that is ratio, and if there is no absolute zero, we can go beyond zero. So that is interval scale of measurement. In the temperature of degree Fahrenheit, we can go beyond zero. Clear?
Got.
Sorry?
Yes, got it.
Okay. So these are some questions from practice assignment, I think. So Catherine has recently read the Booker Prize winner, The Discomfort of Evening by Marike Lucas, and decided to rate this book on the Goodreads website. There she is asked to rate the book on a scale of 1 to 5. What kind of scale of...
We have
Hello?
interval.
It's interval, right?
Yes.
We cannot perform multiplication or division on the ratings. On the ratings, right?
Yes.
So it is interval scale of measurement.
Okay.
Next is a courier service is interested in knowing customer feedback. The customers are being given the following option to choose from. These are the options. What scale of measurement has been used here? So it's ordinal, nominal, or interval, or ratio. So these are the options for feedback. So some order can we say there is some order?
They will somewhat order, but it can also be an interval also.
Why interval? We can't perform addition, subtraction. We can't perform with these feedbacks, on these feedbacks.
Okay.
These are categorical. These are categorical, not numerical.
Okay, got it.
Next question, what can we say about the scale of measurement being used for describing hair colors such as blonde, brunette, red, and black? Is there any order?
Nominal. No order.
Yeah. So these are some examples of inferential and descriptive statistics.
The words are too small now. The words are too small.
Okay. Now is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible now.
Read the question. First question is, which of the following is a case or observation for the above data?
People. I mean
Yeah.
person.
Each people is a case. Next is, if all the residents of the
Yes.
locality participated in the survey, what statistical analysis can be done? Yeah, descriptive.
And
No conclusion is
we
here.
conclude with a
If we can
conclude with the sample data, it is an inferential statistic.
So the next question, suppose the survey collected data from 100 of the locality residents taken at random. Now, what statistics can be done to issue statement 1 and statement 2? So statement 1 and 2 are some conclusion, right? 59% of the residents consider COVID-19 to be serious disease. So these are some conclusion we are getting from sample of 100 people. So this is inferential statistics.
True.
I think no other question. So these are some topics. If we practice more, the topics will be clear more. So practice all the activity.
Do you know where can I get GS and PS and activity?
All are given in the IIT site. I mean, if you log in with your mail ID, you will give. Okay, the course will start from 18th Jan, right?
19.
Okay. So after that, you will get all the questions.
I will find it.
You will give the qualifier on 12th, no? 25th, 12th, February. 25th February, right?
Yes.
So after 19th, you will get all the questions.
Yeah.
Practice those questions.
This is only week 1.
Huh?
We completed week 1.
Yeah, we completed week 1.
Okay. After the class, can you send the recording?
Yeah, I'll send the recording. So
when should we keep the next class?
Tomorrow at 11 a.m. Is it okay for you?
Tomorrow I have same time I have the computer class. City.
Okay. Then when will be free?
Okay. The timing of the free the whole week, please.
At 3 p.m.
Is Tuesday okay for you?
Sorry?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Monday क्या है?
Monday morning busy.
Okay, I will take one class tomorrow, and week 2 will be completed by the tomorrow class, and then I will take a doubt class for week 1 and 2.
You say Monday 11.
No, I am telling you for tomorrow 11 a.m.
Before this, you said Monday 11.
No, Monday 11. Monday in weekdays I can take class in the evening only.
Okay, so we can do on Monday or Tuesday in evening.
Tomorrow you will be not free.
No, I would not be present.
Okay, then Monday evening I will take for week 2.
Yeah, I will just message in this group. You just tell me that you are free or not.
Okay. And tell me if you have any doubt about week 1 in the next class.
If I have doubts, I will post the document.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, good night.
Good night. Thanks, man.